morning and welcome back. I'm in the historic district again in Lakeland, and about 5 houses that way, right behind me, is where I found the token treasure trove. That's right, guys, a lot of interesting items out of that house. And while I was detected, a neighbor walked by and I gave them this business card right here, the one you see. Those cards are so great to have on you. And I talked to this lady, and sure enough, she said I could do her house right behind me. This house was built in 1938. Not as old as the other one, but still, there's going to be a good chance of finding something interesting around this house. So it's not a big yard. It shouldn't take that long to do. And hang with me. Let's see what we can find. And I'll see you on that first dig. All right, so we're going to start out near the sidewalk. Some of this sidewalk has been repoured. Some of it is the original. You can see right here is the original piece. There's no rebar. You can just tell it's fairly old. And then you go to the very next one, you can tell that is a more recent piece that has been poured. So I noticed right here starting out, because you can scan right up to the sidewalk, is getting a signal. There's a 14. There's another one that was in here. Right here. And then I think I had a coin right here. Yeah, hear that high tone? So 3 targets within 3 feet next to the sidewalk. Here we go. Let's see what we got. Not a good sign if it's stuck up in the roots. Maybe I'm knocking out. Oh, there we go. Got us a penny on the first find. Come on. Oh. What would a day be without finding one of these little beaver tail? God, noises. There we go. All right, the penny, beaver tail, and another signal. This sounds a little better. And I thought I had it out of the hole. There we go, it's out of the hole. Should be right here. Oh, there it is. It's a penny. Look at there. Second coin, third dig. Well, not good, guys. After the third find, my camera mount just snapped. It's going to be interesting now. So I'm going to have to put this on a tripod, a little mini tripod, for the remainder of the day. Just so you know, camera angle will look a little different. All right, now we're talking. Guys, I was getting a 17. It popped out in the dirt and saw that bad boy. Look at that. Golly. It sure looks like a little baby spoon or something. Please be together. Oh, look at that sweet, sweet find. Oh my goodness, it's got something written on it. Huh, Bircher watches Lucerne, I think. I don't, it's very hard to read. Golly, let's get up. Oh man, that just made my day. Oh, it's got something else on it. It's got a number on it as well. A nice little, maybe 5-inch spoon. I don't know if it's silver or not yet. I'm not gonna do a thing to it until I get it cleaned up. Oh my goodness, so sweet. Oh guys, it just wiped the dirt out of it. Look at that. Oh my goodness, that is sweet. God. That is just looking so cool. It's a lion. I have no idea what this, stands for, but definitely gonna find out. Beautiful, beautiful ornateness out of the hole. Spoon looking sharp. Gotta love it. Gosh. This is no ordinary souvenir spoon, folks. Let me tell you about it. It's a Rolex souvenir spoon, and it's only given out to the folks that actually purchase a Rolex watch in Switzerland. That's right. This spoon is never sold and never given out without the purchase of a Rolex watch in Switzerland. Sidewalk penny. There it is. I just found the spoon, maybe a foot from where this penny was at. Cool. The things you see metal detecting. I tell you what, I'm going up and down the sidewalk and I hear this lady hooting and hollering across the street. Some critter done got up in her yard. Check it out. So guys, right across the street, there's a soft-shell turtle that got up into a neighbor's yard, just relaxing and getting out of the sun. Boy, look at there, he's taking a look at me. I don't think I'll get too much closer. Hopefully he'll make his way back down to the lake, which is right down there, Lake Morton. Never know what you're gonna see. Hey, getting a good 29.30 on an Equinox 800. That's probably a quarter, but I love the curving out here. You can just tell, look how old it is. And this is one of the oldest neighborhoods in Lakeland. So let's take a look here and see what we got. There you go, guys. It wasn't a quarter, ended up just being a piece of copper. It's gonna ring up nice and loud on that Equinox. Hey guys, first wheat penny, man. It took me a while to get this. The sand just kept pouring back in, and I had to get the hole a little bit deeper, but there it is. Wheat penny number 1. Not sure the date yet. I think it's 1955. Yeah, 1955. First wheat penny, guys. Looking good. Excited. Here we go. There it is. I feel it. It's a dime. Big dime. Up by the sidewalk. Up by the sidewalk, guys, another penny. Not a wheatie, but I'll take it. Yeah, these pennies are all over this sidewalk. There's really nothing old yet other than that one wheat penny. Another sidewalk dime out of this hole, about 2.5 feet away. Check it out, guys. Sidewalk, dime, another one. Working that sidewalk. Here we go. Look at there, guys. Again, sidewalk and a coin. Looks like we got us a penny. Oops. Where the heck did it go now? Is that it? Yeah. There you go, got a memorial. Just a nice old sidewalk and coins as they're going in the front door, dropping out. Love it. All right, guys, the sticker of the week goes to Unlucky Matt. If pull tabs were gold, I'd be rich. A couple of stickers that just got in, you gotta love it. Front yard, guys, getting a 25, could be a dime, or maybe a penny. Pretty deep though. That's a good sign. There it is. I got most of the dirt away from it. It does look small, could be a dime, and it was coming up as a 25, which is a dime on the Equinox. So let's get it out. Yeah, it's a dime. Look at there. Right, I just found that bottle cap here. It was getting a strange signal, and that's because about 3 inches from it was mixed in this penny. Look how green that is. Now that has some patina, but it's not a wee penny. It sure is green though. That's what they look like. Golly. Right here. That thing just popped out. There it is, just another penny. I don't think it's a weedy. Nope. You can see from the side. Another stinking Lincoln, and I'll take it. There it is, guys. It popped right out. It's a quarter. Come around. Look at that sand. It's just so soft. I mean, it's just so tough to dig when it hasn't been raining for a while. Nice quarter in the pocket. All right, I'm a few feet off of the sidewalk by the road, just popped another dime. I love it. Oh, I can see it right there. Let's hope it's a wheat penny. I'll still take it. Look at there, right up next to the back fence. Key, not an old one, but that's a key. Let's take a look at today's finds. Boy, got hot real quick, and I got everything here laid out, and I hope you enjoyed watching. I had a good time. Here we go. Thanks for watching, and it's a wrap. Found my fair amount of junk today. Old beaver tails. You can tell these are from the 70s. Speaking of the 70s, I thought it was strange. Most all the change was from the 70s. There is a 1959 penny in here. I found one wheat penny, 1955. A key, and then I found this cool looking, I identified this as a Rolex souvenir spoon. And it's silver. It's got the amount of silver there listed. I'll put it up in the video. That explains the silver on the spoon, the B112. I haven't really cleaned it up yet, but really cool looking little piece to find. It was stuck in by the sidewalk going into the front door. Good times, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Help me get this channel growing as always. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you on the next dig. You don't want to miss this segment, folks. I'm going to bring you stories from the COPTECH Vault. That's right. Stories covering my 32 years as a law enforcement officer. Stand by. Okay, today is Thursday. We're up here at the Lakeland Square Mall on another surveillance looking for people which may be breaking into cars, trying to steal them or whatever. There's about 6 of us up here. Yesterday, we got pretty lucky, drove around and saw this guy come running out of Belk Lindsay's with an armload of clothes. He just shoplifted. So right now we're just cruising the parking lot, trying to see what we come up with. There's nothing better than a stakeout at the mall
watching the parking lot.
The windows are half down. They're just sitting out in the middle of the lot. They're between Belks and Dillard's. Are you watching something?
So these guys pulled up in their car, backed into a parking spot, and they just sat there, and their windows are down, and they're looking all over the place. So we had to position ourselves where we could watch. In a minute here, I'm going to move my unmarked car to where I can see just a little better.
The handbag door. The handbags door. Got a couple of black males in his vehicle that Officer Plumley said looks suspicious.
Might be signal 31 too. I don't know.
Probably is. That's where I got the last guy sitting there, and they had all that crack cocaine.
So I'm the only one that's got a video at this point. I have to move my car, and I do where I can see him. But there he is, guys. He's out of his car, and he is looking all over.
You looking for security or somebody standing out, circling around like a lighthouse?
Guys, it's going to go down quick. Watch the arrow. You're going to see him shove the window in.
Remember, if this thing goes down, we got to go in quick. Block in the bad guy's vehicle.
Right there. He just pushed the window in. It's going down.
Push the window down. He's breaking into the car. He's breaking into the car. Go through the other ramp. Tell me what.
Got a little excited there at the end, but off to jail he went, folks.
Maybe we're going to go in, or maybe they just come out.
Oh, guys, this is another day just sitting in the parking lot, and all of a sudden this girl starts pulling her shorts off. You can't make this up.
What kind of crap is that?
T48, it was a 66 signal 21.
Yeah. She has no idea.
I'm on now. Stepping on okay. I'll try to locate the vehicle. 1040, take this advice that an officer is serving prosecution as well.
The other one's doing it too. Now I've seen everything. Right in the middle of the parking lot.
Believe it or not, from the COPTECH Vault.